Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob.
Yo, YouTube, man. It's your boy Gerald, one, the only one. Back with another video. Yes, sir, today. You know what I'm saying? Know me in a different little, usually be my background, LeBron, little picture, whatever frame. But just woke up like 10-15 minutes ago, you know what I'm saying? It's about, 11 o'clock. My package is outside. I told y'all, my Yeezy slides came in today. So I'm going to do an on-feet review of these things. I told y'all. I thought I was capping too, huh? Luckily, I got it right before I go to work. So I'm going to get this review out, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you like or subscribe if you're new. Let me go ahead and wash my face. Let's go and get that package, man. Like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all want these shoes. Y'all got your size. Let your boy know. Go ahead and get this package, man. Yes, sir. Oh. Right here with me. You feel me? Got him with me. You feel me? You feel me knocking? Y'all thought the cat was real, huh? Yeah, size right here, you feel me? Size is right here. So guess what? I'm gonna get this on feet ready. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, brush my teeth, you know what I'm saying? Cause I just woke up like 20 minutes ago. So let's get this review out, man. Be right back. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, I'm back, you know what I'm saying? I had to wash my face, brush my teeth, change the shirt, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get ready, you know what I'm saying? Even though it's 11:40, I ain't gotta work till about another 2 hours. So we good to go. As I get myself situated and all that. But you know what I'm saying? This ship to me is from Foot Locker, by the way. They ship to it fast. I got a size 7 coming tomorrow from Champs. And I have another one come. Actually, both of them come tomorrow. Actually, my fault. Both of them come tomorrow. I have from Champs and Kids Foot Locker. I think they both come from FedEx too. So pretty hope they on the same one. And they get to come at the same time as size 7. So if you're interested in the size 7, follow my page down below and Junkie Kicks. That's my reselling page. Or just comment down below or show me a DM. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested, let me know. But let's go and get these bad boys open. Y'all already seen the review from yesterday. Actually, I don't know if you did. If you already did, man, check that review out from yesterday. Here, go right here. Go click that. You know what I'm saying? In-hand review. But it's going to be more in-depth today. You know what I'm saying? Size and all that good stuff. So, and I got a personal size. My personal size is size 12. I'm keeping these bad boys for sure. But like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Now, further ado, man, let's go get the shoe out, man. There you go. Yes, I took the label off so y'all won't get a real address. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I got this from Foot Locker shipped to me. Literally one of these owners Foot Locker app shipped to me on Monday, and then today is Wednesday. They came less than 2 days. That's crazy. Super fast. Definitely appreciate it, Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying, for sure. But let's go and get these out, man. So we got the slide, you know what I'm saying, boom. Got the personal size 12, baby. You see my review, you know what I'm saying, I made yesterday in here review of the Yeezy Slide Flex. But thing is, I have my size, so I can get y'all own feet. But today, I gotta get y'all own feet. So like any Yeezy, let's say slide 350, 500, boots, anything like that, we'll have it right on here. So let's say Yeezy slide, boom, size 12, and it says Yeezy slide made by Adidas, size 12, flex. Retail price on these once was 70. Retail price was 70. Out of taxes, you know what I'm saying, doing ship to me was 84.86. But if you're doing store pickup, you know what I'm saying, it would be 75. I think like 74, $75, something like that. So ain't that too bad, not too bad, but let's go get these bad boys out. Bang, here they go, man. Adidas Yeezy Slide Flex, man.
A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang.
You will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be
Ooh-wee, I got my personal size, baby. Come talk to me. I don't know, it feels so good, even though it's just a Yeezy slide. But no matter if it's a Yeezy slide like you done Jordan 1, Jordan 11, Dior, Jordan, whatever shoe it is, bro. Any shoe, whatever. Winning your size for retail, no matter what, it's a blessing for sure. Especially if you want to keep the shoe in your collection, it's even way better for sure. But like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if you want a personal size, you want your size for somebody else, you want from Adidas Confirm, Champs, whatever. Let you know what down below. But like I said, I got my personal size from Foot Locker shipped to me. I ain't gonna lie, this Yeezy slide came out of nowhere, by the way. They announced this slide on the Foot Locker app was like what, a day before on on my notifications, it was like Adidas Yeezy slide, August 22nd, flex. I'm like, what's going on here? I seen the tweets though. I seen Twitter, you know what I'm saying, tweets, anything like that. If you don't follow me on Twitter down below. But I'm like, man, what is this? What is this? So I'm seeing it, and literally it's showing like, oh, Yeezy slides coming out. I was seeing that, I was like, okay, we'll see. And next thing you know, next day, come up, Foot Locker. And then Adidas Confirm app. I'm like, oh, okay. By the way, I didn't win nothing on Adidas Confirm app. I never won nothing on Adidas Confirm app, ever. And I haven't won one slide on there yet. Not nothing. Not infant, preschool, no nothing. I'm like, man, what's going on? But I always hit on Foot Locker, Champs, Kids for, like, I always hit on them apps. Like JD, Finish Line, I always hit on that. But when it comes to Adidas Confirm or Sneakers app, never win. Never win at all. But let's go the other slide out. There you go, man. I love this dark brown. I'm saying they don't like the color. Me personally, I like the colorway a lot because it's just a darker tone brown and goes with a lot more stuff. Like I said, I got the ochre, so I'm gonna do a video on that as well. The comparison of the browns, you know what I'm saying? Cause I had those for a little while, by the way. So I'm gonna do another video about that this week. Actually, I'll make it tomorrow. I'll make another video on, you know what I'm saying, like how wearing the Yeezy slide for a month straight. Cause I definitely wear those like a month straight. So I'm gonna do a video on that coming tomorrow. So we're gonna look out for that, man. But these things, like I said, really can't go too much in depth in the Yeezy slide. Stripes on the bottom of the slide, and the whole shoe is made of boost. There's no foam material, anything like that. The whole slide is made of boost. You got your Adidas logo right there, if y'all can see it. And of course, you got your Adidas sticker in the inside of the slide here. Usually it'll come in the box that had like the thing in there, but I don't know if I'm looking for that right now. But that's what normally come with, say Yeezy slide, size 12. They don't have like UK size and all that good stuff on there. So, but here they go, man. These I like the colorway of these. I really, really do. Go a whole size up, wherever size you wear. Even if you wear that half, like that 10.5, go and get the 11. Sometimes people, if you got a wide foot though, listen, if you got a wide foot, if you wear 10.5, you got a wide foot, I then would tell somebody then to do it. Try 11. The 11 don't work, you gotta do a 12. But go to a local boutique though, by the way. Like a local boutique that resells the Yeezy slides. Try a Yeezy slide on. Because if you order Yeezy slide, you're like, damn, I messed up. So go to a local boutique if you can. If not, just go a whole size up where the size that you wear. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything on sizing, comment down below, man, let me know. But let's get this on feed going, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Gerald One, be right back. Let's get it.
I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee, but I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 gang. I hate with the realest, go beats like a realist. The world just gon' feel this and shit from the heart. God is my witness, it's ain't position, we striving position, we playing our part.
Ooh, we back from our own feet. Like I said, man, these things are clean. I love the colorway of these. I really, really do love the colorway of these. But when you first wear Yeezy slides, it's gonna take a while to break them in. It just takes a little bit of time. They get like more and more loose and more comfortable. After a while, you break them in, they just stiff basically. Like, you know, I'm breaking the foam material. Like this boost material right here, it's stiff right now. But when you wear them a couple times, break them in, they be super loose and even more comfortable. So that's another thing about a lot of people don't know about like Yeezys or like Yeezy slides or anything, any Yeezy they made of. The material that he really uses is the boost material majority of the time. So, like, you know, so we first get like some like Nike Dunks, anything like that, be super stiff. But we break them in, they be more comfortable. The same way with these, you gotta wear them a couple times, break them in. They loosen up and they go right onto your feet and make you feel good and just make you like walking on clouds, man. So make sure the sizing, like I said, if you wear a 9, get that 10. If you wear a 10.5, try that 11 on. If that 11 don't work, man, for sure do that 12. Like I said, they don't come in half sizes. It would be nice Yeezy slides or Forerunners come in half sizes, but they don't come in half sizes at all. So come in whole sizes. So you got any video suggestions, know what I'm saying? Let you know more down below. I don't mind listening to my family members, of course. If y'all want to see certain videos or certain this and that and the other, let me know down below. But as if for this video, man, like and subscribe if you're new. I told y'all I was gonna come with my own feed of these things. I told y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all thought I was capping. Like, oh man, he ain't got no Yeezy slides coming in. Yes, sir, I do. Then that very next day, I made a video from yesterday. It came out today. You know what I'm saying? So back-to-back video uploads. You know what I'm saying? Got another one coming tomorrow. So be ready for that. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Follow me on all platforms down below. My Twitter, my TikTok, my Instagram. All that good stuff, man. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. And catch y'all on the video, man. JR1's out. Peace.